Hi friends, so in the previous video we learned how to create API by using website class. In this video we learn how to make API by using APIView class. So let's start. First we need to create one project that I'm choosing the name with REST 7. So we need to run one command, django/admin start project with REST 7. Then we need to create one app inside the project. So of cd with REST 7. Then we need to run one command, py start app test app. Yeah, we are ready. You can see now we have test app inside our project with REST 6. So first we need to go to the settings.py in our project, then we need to define our REST framework app and the test app. So यहाँ पर हमें REST framework, ये हमारा ऐप है जिसका हम यूज़ करने वाला है हमारी एप्लीकेशन में, एंड देन टेस्ट ऐप जो अभी हमने बनाया है टेस्ट ऐप. ओके, एंड हियर वी गो. First we need to create one model inside our test app. So inside our test app you can see now and models.py. So I am creating one employee model class. So class employee, and this class is the child class of models.model class. Models.model, and I am defining 4 fields here. One is e-number, employee number. Employee number is equal to models dot integer field. Employee name is equal to models dot care field. In the care field we need to pass one argument, that name is max length. Max length means that how many character we are storing in the employee name. So let's suppose max size is equal to 64. So it stores 64 character in the employee name, and employee number, employee name, and employee salary, it is integer kind of data, so I am choosing integer field. And employee address is again character field. Okay, our model is ready. Now we need to show in the admin console. So we need to go to the admin.py and we need to register our model. So first we need to import that in our admin.py. So from test import models, then we need to make one class employee admin, and this is the child class of admin dot model admin. And we need to choose what are the fields we need to show. So we need to tell to the Django that this is the fields I am going to show. So first ID is the default parameter that is given by Django. It is a primary key. Okay, and e number, then e name, then e cell, then e address. Okay, and we need to register that into our admin. So admin dot site dot register, and models dot employee, and this newly created class we need to pass that in this register method. So employee admin. Okay, our admin class is ready. So now we need to make one serializer class. Serializer class converts our Python data into JSON data. So we need to create one file. That name is serializers.py inside our test tab. Serializers, you can choose any name, but I am choosing serializers.py. And we need to import model class test app dot models import employee. Then we need to import serializers REST framework. It is given by Django. No, it is given by REST framework. So we are using REST framework serializers in our serializer file. So dot serializers import model serializer. What model serializer do? Model serializer is we can create model serializers by using our model class. So that's why I choose model serializer class employee serializer. This is the child class of model serializer. And then we need to override meta class meta. Then we need to choose our model. What is our model? Model is equal to employee, and then we need to choose fields. What are the fields? We need to create serializer. So fields is equal to underscore all. I am choosing all fields. Okay, yeah, and our work is done here. And we need to run one command, make migrations. Migrations will write one query based on these models. So let's run one command, exit cd with rest 7 py manage dot py make migrations. Then we need to migrate them. So we need to again run one command, manage.py migrate. Sorry. Now we need to create one super user. So py manage.py create super user. We need to I am taking ram @gmail.com, ram@123, ram@123. Yes, yeah, and I'm checking that the model is created or not. So run server. /admin. You can check that our model is created or not inside admin panel. So we previous created super user. So we need to give them inside login. Yeah, the employee model class is created, and I am filling the dummy data inside this model class. So employee number is 100, employee name is Sham, employee salary is 10,000, and employee address is Indore. 7 another, add employee, employee number is 200, name is Sumit, salary is 20,000, and employee address is Bhopal. Now again we need to create one more object for employee. Employee number is 300, employee name is Jake, employee salary is 50,000, and employee address is Dubai. Okay, so we created 3 objects for this employee model class. So we need to perform like API CRUD operation on this model, on this data. So first we need to create one view class inside our test tab. Yeah, there is a view class view file is available. We need to create our view class inside this view file. So first we need to import at first starting of the video I was tell you that we are using APIView class in this views.py file. So first we need to import that from REST underscore framework dot generics import list APIView. So we are performing both list and create operation together. So we need to import list create APIView. Okay, and another is retrieve, update and destroy. These 2 classes are perform our all operations. So that's why I taking these 2 classes. Okay, so now we need to make one class employee list view. This is the child class of list create APIView, and we need to pass one query set. Query set is equal to employee. First we need to import that from test tab dot models import employee dot objects dot all, and serializer classes. Yeah, so we need to import serializer class from test tab dot serializers import employee serializer. Okay, then this class will perform list and create operations. We need to perform CRUD operation. So again I am taking another class, that name is employee view, and this is also child class of employee create APIView, and serializer class is same. Okay, and we need to define URLs for this API. So urls.py, and we need to import from test tab dot test tab import views, then path API slash views dot employee list view, and path slash API, and I am passing dynamic data in the URL, so I need to give them so int and based on our primary key is the default IDs provided by Django, so I am using in the URL, okay, at the time of passing the dynamic data, okay. And this is the views dot employee view, okay, and our work is done. Now we can check that our API is working properly or not. So this is our URL and this is API. So I think two issues. API has invalid view, pass employee view instead. Okay. So this is the employee view list view class, so we need to as view, we need to pass one argument here, we need to dot as view, okay, save them, and again we need to check what is the error. Okay, please server not reloaded. Yeah, you can see at the time of get method the all records are there. We are getting Shyam, Sumit and Jake, and we need to create one new record. That name is Michael. Sorry, yeah. Also Ramesh. What? My keyboard is not working properly, guys. Wait for a minute. Suresh, yeah. Employee number is 500, employee name is Suresh, employee salary is 60,000, employee address is Mumbai. So I'm clicking one. Yeah, you can see 201 created. So the new object will created. So we need to check them. So 127 admin. We are checking in our database that employee object is created or not. So you can see 500 Suresh, 60,000 and Mumbai created. So now we need to perform update operation. So I need to perform update on one ID. So yeah, you can see okay, one. Give this why it is showing API 1. Why it is showing all the data? Let me check in my models views.py employee.object.all serializer class serializer. Let me check. Yeah, I'm writing the urls.py and npk employee view views.py employee. Oh yeah, we need to retrieve update and destroy class. Yeah, now we can check. First the server is reloaded, then we check. Yeah, we can check. So if we pass one ID here sorry, if we pass one here, so we can now you can see that the one is one ID data is here. So if we need to update the Shyam name, so instead of Shyam we need to take Lakshman. Okay, and salary is 0. Put. So you can see HTTP 200. Okay, so our data will be updated. Yeah, instead of Sham you can see the name is Lakshman and the salary is 0. Now we need to perform update operation we was perform. So we need to perform delete operation, like I need to delete the two uh, primary key data, so 2, and I need to delete the Sumit. So if I click on the delete button, then the data will be deleted. You can see 204 no content is available, so we can check in our database also. Yeah, you can see the Sumit data is not here. So we perform all the operations, and this is the APIView class. This is the APIView class. We were created all the we were perform all the CRUD operation on our API. So you can create very easily by using this method. Okay, bye guys.